Case Studies, AI/ML Success Stories in Curriculum Vitae, Data Lake, Management. From our mentorship program. Here's an analysis of the programs in management and technical terms. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. The process flow in the video management terms, and integration pipeline with Loop, represents a structured data flow for integrating and utilizing information across various stages of data management, processing, and analysis. Here's an explanation of the process flow based on the video. Nodes and their roles. 1. Data management. Represents the starting point of the process. Involves collecting, organizing, and storing raw data for further processing. 2. Information retrieval. Extracting relevant data from the stored dataset using specific algorithms or queries. Ensures that only required information is passed to subsequent stages. 3. Knowledge management. Converts retrieved data into actionable knowledge. Applies methods to organize, share, and analyze data to support decision making. 4. Decision support. Provides insights and recommendations for decision making using processed data. Acts as a bridge between raw data and actionable business intelligence. 5. Business intelligence. Derives valuable insights from data to assist in strategic planning and operations. Includes reporting, dashboards, and predictive analytics. 6. Integration pipeline. Core of the process, facilitates seamless data flow between systems. Includes tools and methods to integrate data from multiple sources into a unified system. 7. Data lake. A central repository for storing all structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. Enables scalable storage for large volumes of raw data. 8. Data frames. Represents processed and structured datasets ready for analysis. 9. Information retrieval algorithms. Algorithms and techniques used to extract and query relevant data from datasets or databases. 10. Data visualization. Represents data graphically for better understanding and communication. Includes charts, graphs, and interactive dashboards. 11. AI repository. A centralized system for storing and accessing AI models, datasets, and tools. Facilitates collaboration and reuse of AI assets. 12. Python programming language. A critical tool in implementing the processes. Supports tasks like data manipulation, analysis, visualization, and AI model development. Process flow with a loop. 1. The flow begins with data management and progresses sequentially through stages like retrieval, management, and intelligence. 2. The integration pipeline links upstream, data storage and preparation, and downstream, analysis and utilization, processes. 3. A loop connects the integration pipeline back to itself. This indicates feedback mechanisms to refine and improve data processing. Iterative processes to ensure data quality and accuracy. Key features. Flow of data. The arrows between nodes represent data transformation and movement through different stages. Highlight dependencies between stages and their sequential nature. Color-coded nodes. Each node is assigned a unique color to emphasize its distinct function. Loop in the process. The loop in the video symbolizes continuous refinement, iteration, and feedback within the integration pipeline. This flow represents a comprehensive integration and analysis pipeline for leveraging data, with emphasis on structured processing, intelligence, and AI-driven insights. The provided video represents a management terms, technology and integration pipeline with Loop. It shows various stages and technologies involved in a continuous process flow, emphasizing integration and feedback. Here's how to incorporate AI training and testing into this context. 1. Locate relevant stages in the diagram. Data management, the starting point where data is collected and stored for training. Integration pipeline, this ensures seamless data flow between components, vital for preparing training and testing data sets. AI repository, acts as the storage for trained AI models. Decision support and business intelligence, areas where trained AI models are deployed for decision making. 2. Integrate AI training. Training pipeline. Use the data lake to aggregate diverse data sets. Pre-process and clean the data using information retrieval algorithms and data frames. Train AI models in Python programming language leveraging the clean data. Store trained models in the AI repository. Feedback loop. Monitor model performance in the decision support and business intelligence stages. Feed the insights back to the data management and integration pipeline stages to improve the model iteratively. 3. Integrate AI testing data preparation. Extract a subset of data from the data lake or data management stage for testing purposes. Performance evaluation. Use testing data to evaluate the AI model's performance using information retrieval algorithms. Visualize the test results in the data visualization stage to interpret model accuracy, precision, recall, etc. 4. Include AI in feedback loop. After deployment, use real-time data from business intelligence and decision support to retrain models for improved accuracy, completing the loop. Here are some popular Python libraries for data search. 1. Whoosh, a fast, feature-rich Python library for indexing and searching data. It supports various data formats, including text, JSON, and XML. 2. Zapier, a highly scalable, open-source search engine library for Python. It provides advanced features like faceting, filtering, and ranking. 3. Elasticsearch, a popular, open-source search and analytics engine that provides a Python client library. It supports various data formats and provides features like full-text search, faceting, and aggregations. 4. Apache Solr, a popular, open-source search engine that provides a Python client library. It supports various data formats and provides features like full-text search, faceting, and filtering. 5. Fuzzy Wuzzy, a Python library for fuzzy string matching and searching. It uses Levenshtein distance and other algorithms to find similar strings. 6. Python MySQL, a Python library for interacting with MySQL databases. It provides support for searching and querying data. 1. Pandas, a popular Python library for data manipulation and analysis. It provides support for searching and filtering data. 2. SciPy, a Python library for scientific computing and data analysis. It provides support for searching and optimizing data. 3. SQL Alchemy, a Python library for interacting with databases using SQL. It provides support for searching and querying data. 4. OpenSearch, an open-source search and analytics engine that provides a Python client library. It supports various data formats and provides features like full-text search, faceting, and aggregations. Search results. Name, job title, skills, experience. 0. Rahul AI/ML Architect Python, TensorFlow, Keras 5. 4. Karen AI/ML Architect Python, TensorFlow, Keras 6. 5. Amit AI/ML Architect Python, TensorFlow, Keras, AI Project 7. Data moved to the AI repository successfully. The search results shows the output of the filtering process where only the candidates with the job title AI/ML Architect were selected from the original data set. Here's the explanation of each part. Data. The data set originally contained 6 candidates with various job titles, skills, and years of experience. The search criteria specified that we are looking for candidates whose job title is AI/ML Architect. Based on this criteria, the following candidates were returned. 1. Rahul. Job title, AI/ML Architect. Skills, Python, TensorFlow, Keras. Experience, 5 years. 2. Karen. Job title, AI/ML Architect. Skills, Python, TensorFlow, Keras. Experience, 6 years. 3. Amit. Job title, AI/ML Architect. Skills, Python, TensorFlow, Keras, AI Project. Experience, 7 years. These 3 individuals meet the AI/ML Architect criteria and were selected from the larger data set. The skills listed for each candidate include relevant tools and technologies used in AI/ML projects, and the experience indicates the number of years each person has worked in their respective roles. Data moved to AI repository. After filtering the search results, the data, which includes the names, job titles, skills, and experience of the candidates, is then saved into an AI repository using Pickle. Pickle is a Python module used to serialize and deserialize Python objects. In this case, the filtered search_results data frame is saved, or appended, into a file named ai_repository.pkl. This file serves as a repository to store the data persistently for future use. The message data moved to AI repository successfully confirms that the search results have been saved properly into the file and can now be accessed later. In summary, the search results show the candidates who fit the AI/ML architect job title. Retrieved and analyzed later. The video pie chart titled Management Terms and Technologies Distribution, created by Pradeep K. Suri, visually represents the equal importance of various key management and technological terms used in contemporary organizational processes. Here's the explanation of the chart in management terms. 1. Data management emphasizes the structured organization, storage, and governance of data, enabling efficient access and use. 2. Information retrieval represents the ability to locate and retrieve relevant information from large datasets or document repositories. 3. Knowledge management focuses on capturing, distributing, and effectively using knowledge across the organization. 4. Decision support encompasses tools and methodologies that help in making data-driven and strategic business decisions. 5. Business intelligence refers to leveraging data analytics, reporting, and visualization to gain actionable business insights. 6. Integration pipeline highlights the process of integrating data from various sources into a unified framework for operational or analytical purposes. 7. Data lake, a repository designed to store large volumes of raw data in its native format until it is needed. 8. Data frames represents the structured organization of data into tabular forms, facilitating analysis and programming, often used in Python or R environments. 9. Information retrieval algorithms signifies the computational techniques used to extract meaningful information from large data sets. 10. Data visualization stresses the importance of graphical representation of data for intuitive understanding and communication. 11. AI repository represents a centralized system for managing AI models, data sets, and algorithms. 12. Python programming language highlights the prevalence of Python as a versatile and powerful programming language for data analysis, machine learning, and process automation. Charts key insights. All categories have been equally weighted, 8.33%, to reflect their balanced significance in management and technology ecosystems. The chart suggests that for effective management and operational excellence, these domains must be treated as complementary rather than standalone elements. The colorful and evenly distributed segments of the pie chart visually emphasize inclusivity and interconnectedness across these areas. Thank you.